WebKit is the open-source browser engine that is used as the core of the web browser, and it's the same browser that's powering Safari from Apple iPhone. Next is the Android runtime. The main component in the Android runtime is the Dalvik virtual machine. The Android runtime was designed specifically for Android to meet the needs of running in the embedded environment where you have limited battery, limited memory, limited CPU. The Dalvik virtual machine runs DAX files, and these are bytecodes that are results of converting at buildtime.class and .jar files, so these files, when they are converted to AXON, become much more efficient bytecode that they can run very well on small processes. They use memory very efficiently. The data structures are designed to be shared across processes whenever possible and uses a highly PO-optimized bytecode interpreter. The end result of that is that it's possible to have multiple instances of Dalvik virtual machine running on the device at the same time, one in each of several processes. The next level from that are the core libraries. This is blue, meaning that it's written in Java programming language, and the core library contains all of the collection classes utilities. Now you have an idea about the differences and similarities of Symbian and Android operating systems. In the next part, let's make a comparison between the latest smartphones of Symbian and Android. Android HTC Desire and Nokia N8. First, let's consider about features of Android HTC. Android HTC smartphone runs the very most up-to-date version of the Android operating system, Android 2.1 or Eclair. In addition to the updated operating system, the Desire, which was earlier known as the HTC Bravo, will possess HTC's very own Sense user interface that pulls in updates from Facebook and Twitter, updates friends' status in the contacts list, and allows to upload photos to Flickr while offering 7 custom-disabled home screens. Insert shortcuts, live web feeds and much more to one of the home screens, and can be moved in between all 7 home screens at once. The phone includes a 1 GHz processing chip that assures moving in between home screens. Launching applications and opening web pages is ultra simple, did not have to be mentioned. It is a stunning 3.7 inches wide AMOLED touchscreen. This capacitive technology permits multi-touch, which lets such capabilities as pinch to zoom inside the web browser and maps as well. AMOLED technology makes for one of the brightest displays being offered while keeping the battery life. It has a 5-megapixel camera and HSDPA and Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS and expandable memory up to 32 GB, and it's easy to understand why the HTC Desire is the definite quick prospect for the handset of the year. That covers all about the HTC Desire phone, so let's have a look at the Nokia N8. The N8 phone is the most current smartphone to be presented by Nokia and stands out as the first phone to get built for the Symbian 3 platform. The new Nokia N8 is official and will launch with a fresh type of camera that promises to catch pictures and videos that compete with dedicated point-and-shoot cameras. Sporting the Symbian 3 OS, the N8 offers superior networking rendering. It's perfect for streaming high-definition multimedia files and has HDMI support with an enhanced television playback encounter. The Nokia N8 includes 1 GHz processor chip and support for multi-touch input. The main attribute on the Nokia N8 is its 12-megapixel camera with Carl Zeiss optics and xenon flash. It comes with a substantially bigger sensor than any ever found in any other Nokia unit. The 3.5-inch resistive touchscreen display has a HD resolution of 360 x 640 pixels for incredible picture quality and the ability to display as much as 16 million colors. The brilliant screen can make web browsing with 3G HSDPA a pleasure, and with GPRS/Edge and Wi-Fi will enable users to jump online at breakneck speed and with little work. The Nokia N8 in addition doubles up as a transportable entertainment center. It offers end users a chance to watch TV via the internet, which includes content from CNN and local web TV content. It's not just its 12-megapixel digital camera and HD video skills by using HDMI support that sets the Nokia N8 aside from other units. Packing more memory than nearly all, the Nokia N8 mobile phone has 16 GB of built-in storage and can be enhanced up to 48 GB by using a micro SD card. Joining the social messaging fold with the likes of the latest series and series devices, the N8 enters the fray with live Twitter and Facebook updates direct to your home screen. Comment, read and send messages, update your status and share your location and photos with a single touch. Taking on location-based services, the N8 is location-savvy and comes with free global OV maps, walk and drive navigation with support in more than 70 countries around the world. Nokia is putting out its first phone featuring the revamped Symbian 3OS, which includes several new features, such as multi-touch, flick scrolling, and pinch to zoom. Symbian 3 adds several other features found on competing smartphone platforms, like multiple home screens and home screen widgets, similar to Android, for Facebook and Twitter, among others. Not surprisingly, the Nokia N8 includes gaining access to the entire range of OV services, and it is Nokia's first smartphone to be integrated with Qt. Got a nice idea for an app? Qt is a software enhancement environment that makes it ideal to develop applications and deploy through the Symbian along with other software programs.